Okay, Anirudh, please take over, and I'm just pinning. Okay, so Anirudh will just inform you about our today's resource person. So,
Yes. So,
Anirudh, please take over.
greeting to all the participants and our organizer, Mr. Dinesh, represented Mission Doste Jahan. Dear participants, I welcome you to the live web Stress and Depression, Dealing with Them During COVID-19 Pandemic, organized by Mission Doste Jahan. As all of us are aware, we are witnessing the global pandemic of COVID-19 for more than a year now. Pandemic has brought along unexpected scenarios of lockdown, financial crisis, lifestyle changes, and many more stresses. The motive of this webinar is to explore and understand the distress and interventions to deal with it from a behavioral perspective. I welcome our resource person, Mr. Ketan Kotalwar, on behalf of Mission Doste Jahan. To introduce Mr. Ketan, he is a RCI registered clinical psychologist based in Nasik. He has MPhil in clinical psychology and a PG certificate course in psychotherapy and rehabilitation. Mr. Ketan has worked as a consultant psychologist with pediatricians, psychiatrists, and special educators. He has dealt with more than 200 clients and assessed above 500 profiles in psychometry. Today's webinar will be conducted with a presentation by Mr. Ketan and followed by a question answer session. I request all the participants to mute their mics and write down their queries in the chat box at the end of this session. The questions will be answered after the presentation ends. I once again welcome Mr. Ketan and I request him to share the screen and proceed with the presentation.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, hi, Mr. Ketan. You are audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Hello.
Hello.
Wish you all a very good afternoon and thank you very much to my friend Anirudh for a nice introduction of me. Uh, we'll start soon, like we are starting on. Uh, Before we'll actually start our presentation or before we actually go for our webinar, I would really like to talk about the mental health and current crisis of COVID. So, if you can remember the past, so around November, December, the WHO and China and the newspapers, journalists were on a virus called COVID-19, and it found that the virus was a very catchy and it can spread very nicely or spread very fastly. So on that note, many countries take the disciplinary actions or take to the and the things on. But as the on, there was one more factor which was the uh, uh, previous part, but it was very much health. Uh, Present mental health. So in India, we can found this kind of February or March. These months, harshy or very pushy about the COVID news, and we got lockdown, our first lockdown. Okay, so on the day, Minister introduced one day Janta curfew, and we were okay, okay, chalo, it was a good. कुछ आराम तो मिल जाएगा रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी से, and things went on that. And the second day, 21 day lockdown. Okay, so when lockdown came, first people took it very positively. Okay, so okay, चलो आराम मिला है, कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है. Okay, things are going on, we are getting entertained, हम आराम कर रहे हैं. Some people had work from home. Slowly, all world, the thing got very soon. Okay, why it got worsened? Because the mental health problem has started its, has started erupting, and a big pile of problems got bashed over, and even WHO started thinking that we should focus on mental. So even WHO started some courses for mental health, and this went on. And currently, if you say the things are taken a big pace for the mental health and COVID, like around the COVID. And if you see, every country is doing something for mental health. Country is preparing for finances, preparing for infrastructure, and see over in the world, 60% for it rise if it would be 10 in a week, so that the 16 patients. Okay, countries who are have lower, uh, uh, who are not very rich, so kind of developing countries like India got to 70% to one thing. Like if a have so similar, it will have 20 to uh, 19 to like statistics over. It's made all should this is a very everybody has awareness of it. All what
Uh,
government is.
Ketan sir, hello, sorry to interrupt. Hello, hello, Ketan
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Sorry
yes,
to
sir.
interrupt. There is some problem with your audio. Please just check whether it is due to some network issue or due to your mic.
Hello, audible?
Please just check your audio again. Hello, Ketan sir. Am I audible? I think there's some networking issue. So yeah, network issue is there some. So we'll wait for a while. Dr. Vikas Sharma is joining us. Welcome, sir. Uh, uh, I think there is some network issue. So meanwhile, yeah. So Mr. Ketan is just getting ready. So meanwhile, I request Miss Mrinali Damania. Can you hear, please? Okay. So she is also a clinical psychologist and she is a senior research fellow in IIT Roorkee. Hello, hello, Mr. Ketan. Can you hear? There is no audio.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Now you are audible.
Okay. Okay.
You can.
I'm starting now.
Yeah, you can continue, please.
So, shall we continue now?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So, it was going about the WHO, and now what we are having the problems currently. So, if we focus, like whatever I've talked recently about mental health and COVID, so if you observe ourselves and if you observe our nearby people, our loved ones, relatives, friends, colleagues, so whoever is having such problems, or even we all are having a bit problem. Some have less, some have more, some are more in intensity, some are less in intensity. So let's understand, let's go through the stress and depression terminology, and let's understand in detail that what is happening with us. Okay, so this is it. These are some conditions, or in clinical language we call symptoms. So people generally have, like many of us have less of them. Many have many of symptoms. Many people have average kind of numbers. So continuing to that, like if we just take a look, we get to know these are very basic words. Okay, so which we use in our daily language. So it's like irritability. So we get irritated, sadness, disturbed sleep. We sleep less or we sleep very much. देन एजिटेशन, चिड़चिड़ होना, बहुत तकलीफ होना, बर्नआउट, किसी भी बहुत ज्यादा fear, frustration. Yes, this is a thing that I think all of us have felt anytime in the COVID year. So again, then blue mood, मन उदास लगना, then temper tantrums. ये this thing generally happens with the children. Then household quarrels. Now we understand that every person is having some kind of mental health issue. Okay, And if a family where is 3 or 4 people are combined and they're interacting with each other with the same kind of issue in their heads, so many times the household quarrels uh, can be a reason because of this COVID. uh, Many cases which are coming towards from COVID patients or even non-COVID patients, they are reporting this household quarrels. They are saying कि हमारे घर में कभी ज्यादा झगड़ा नहीं होता था, लेकिन आज हर रोज सुबह आपके कोई तो कह जाता है, हर रोज कोई ना कोई झगड़ा करता है, हर रोज किसी न किसी को कुछ कहना होता है, एंड फिर बात नहीं बनती है. देन डिस्टर्ब्ड एपेटाइट, suppression. We, I think we all have lots of things to express. We all have lots of things to speak, but we are not able to speak. Either we don't have anyone to speak, or we don't have that much courage, or we don't have that much facility to speak somebody, or to exert your suppression in a good way. So even that thing is rare. Then extreme boredom, physical pain. Now, physical pain, I call this somatic pain. In our clinical language, we say somatic pain. What is somatic pain? So, somatic pain is kind of pain which is appearable on your body, but your body, like आपकी अगर गर्दन दुख रही है तो गर्दन आपकी दुखती रहेगी, लेकिन आपकी गर्दन में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा फिजिकली. No tissue damage or no muscle pain or no muscle swelling, there would be nothing, but still आपकी गर्दन दुख रही है because it is a psychogenic kind of condition. Then marital issues, as I said, even household quarrels are increasing, even marital issues are increasing. People are getting divorced. If you, I don't know how many people have observed this, but during the COVID time, the rate of divorces is like it has increased very much. देन लॉस ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन, किसी काम में मन न लगना, कुछ करने के लिए इच्छा ना होना, अगर करे तो ज्यादा देर उसको ना कर पाना. देन इंक्रीज स्क्रीन टाइम. व्हाट इज स्क्रीन टाइम? इट इज यूजिंग एनी स्क्रीन लाइक जनरली मोबाइल फोन, टीवी और कंप्यूटर. सो घंटों टीवी पे बैठे रहना, कंप्यूटर पे बैठे रहना, मोबाइल पे चिट चैट करना, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. Then unhealthy eating. So we have lots of time in quarantine, or we have lots of time in COVID period. So we start making something. We all have made kind of pastas or cookies and cakes and posted anywhere in the social media. So this is kind of unhealthy eating, which is not needed, but it is eaten. Then feeling low, कुछ करने का मन ना करना, सिर्फ पड़े रहो, जिंदगी ऐसी कटती रहे. Then emotional shifts. What is emotional shifts is a person have a kind of emotional balance, or have kind of emotional a way to express emotion. A person might have a range of emotions in a daytime, but that are maintained. Now emotional shifts are there. Person was very stable previous, prior to the COVID. Now he is very his emotions are very it is what we say labile. They are changing. Then hopelessness. Everything is सब waste है, सब बकवास है. Because everything in this, every aspect of our living in COVID is getting to a hole, an empty space, कि जहाँ पे पहले बहुत कुछ था, बहुत कुछ काम होते थे, बहुत कुछ चीजें होती थी, बहुत कुछ चीजें होती थी, बहुत कुछ होता था रादर. सो वहां पे कुछ नहीं है. उस एम्प्टी स्पेस में हमारे साइकिक एनर्जी के, या फिर हमारे साइकी के एम्प्टी स्पेस वो बन गया है, जो पहले नहीं था. जो हम कुछ ना कुछ चीजें चलते रहती थी, सोचते रहते थे मन में, अब वो नहीं है. देन होपलेसनेस, क्या होगा पता नहीं, इवन अनसर्टेनिटी इज देयर. So if you just take a look from these kind of symptoms or conditions, you might feel that okay, we have this some kind of way in any time in life. But if you see yourself, or if you see any person having mental health problem in the COVID time, these all things are increased. As I said previously, the mental health services need has been increased. Okay, so everything has increased. So now you have to comment in the comment box, chat box, how many of symptoms you did had in the COVID time. Please comment box fast. Comment in the comment box fast. Am I able to see the comment box? Zero, very good. Three, okay. Two, four, okay. Somewhere we have the symptoms in this kind of time. Okay, let's get let's back to our presentation. So now we got to know what we are exactly feeling, what we are exactly going through, what the stress is divided in these kind of small things, what is depression divided in this kind of small things. Now we are on the second part of our presentation, why this is happening with me. Like you might have this question end of times in your COVID time, okay, oh man, why this is happening with me. So we are tried to get the answer why this is happening. Number one, inconveniences came with the restrictions. So with the COVID, we have restrictions, we have lockdowns. Even after lockdowns, we have restrictions. We can't go in places with crowd. We can't go places where something hospital is there. Okay, because you might get some COVID. Okay, you might get affected. Then even in the lockdown, we had these things, not going out of home, staying in home. So we have all had restrictions. We all lived in restrictions. So are the restrictions directly leading some problems? I would say no. The first word over here, inconveniences, is very important because directly restrictions can't pay you some problems or can't lead you some problems. The inconveniences we had because of the restrictions are getting us into problems. Okay, so what inconveniences we had? We couldn't go out. This is inconvenience. We couldn't go for a walk. Inconvenience. We couldn't go to a friend's house and chit chat. Inconvenience. So these things, the restrictions, the wherever you cut down your human interaction, the stress increases because man can't live as alone. It's a social animal. Then change in daily work style. So previously, what might have been happened that you are going to office or you are going to factory or going to something, and you are working over there, coming to the home and having a good meal and get your groceries on the way, and you just take groceries and put there in your dabbas and everything, and these things you'd be these things would be there, but in COVID time, what happened because of the virus, okay, or because of the restrictions, we had to change our work style. Work is not only of office work; it is our daily chores also. We had to focus more on cleaning. Now many people got obsessed with cleaning during the COVID time. So this is one of the part, which is very interesting part, that people are getting obsessed with cleaning, and same people would hardly matter any cleaning previously. So things are going like that. Why? Because of the fear. Then movement of life. We have restricted our movement of life. If you want to go for a, as I said, if you want to go for a walk, you can't go now. Okay, many things you do daily, but you can't do right now because of COVID. Okay, so uh, our life has been restricted in a house. As even here is it is shown, a person is there and it is in a house, and he's locked in the house. He can't go out. Like, this is actually symbolical, but if you see, our human aspects or our human relation with the environment and the world and people has been put in the box. So your movement to go out, your movement to do something, your movement to get something, to or to provide something has been restricted, and that movement restriction has made us frustration, has led us in frustration, has led us in low mood. So going forward, apprehension with uncertainty, like when the this lockdowns were there, at that time, we never knew, like, when COVID will end, when I will get, when I go to my office, okay, when can I go to my business? We didn't knew, and that uncertainty gave us great depression. Because if you see, like European countries, or even in America, there were some for funding for just for depression during COVID time. Generally there is, but they increased it. So why? Because of the apprehensions, we are getting depressed. कल क्या होगा, we don't know. आज क्या होगा, I don't know. So when anything, even students got stuck in their homes. They never knew कि मेरा college कब चालू, when I will be able to college, मेरे exams कब होंगे. So this all create an environment which stuck us in that mental health problems. Then previous cognitive emotional load. This is a very big thing actually. In clinical psychology, we call this diathesis stress. So what is diathesis stress is, you have something stress prior to the condition, or prior to the triggering something, and you get triggered by something, some environmental stress, and that previous load gets into the, or you leads you into the depression, or you leads you into the some kind of symptoms or pathology, or mental health problem. So generally, if you see the patients, actually I had many patients, and most of them had this previous cognitive emotional load. So what is previous cognitive emotional load is the same thing. Like they had some problem previously, and it was dead because their life was going on, and रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में जो दर्द था, जो भावनाएं थी, जो इम्पल्सेस थे, वो रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में कहीं ना कहीं गुम हो जाते थे. अब ऐसा है, एज यू सेड, वी आर इन अ जीरो, वी आर इन अ ब्लैंक स्पेस. So because we are in a blank space, we don't know what to do, and those previous stressors jumped, and it resulted into a great mental health problem. Okay, many people, like I can say, out of whatever patients I handled during the COVID time, out of 10 people, 6 to 7 people would have this previous cognitive emotional load. So you can understand, the thing is generally handled in their own way, which is being a problem right now. Then now we got to know what was happening with us. We got to analyze what things were running up our problems. Okay, and now how to adjust that. uh, it is a common thing to know that this webinar, like even I designed my webinar in the same fashion. It starts with the idea, as we started with idea. depression and what COVID and everything. So idea, and then idea, after that insight, and after that intervention. So this is intervention part of our presentation. I purposefully use the word intervention. I don't say psychotherapy or counseling. It is a part of intervention, but we can't get only on counseling. We can do counseling for a person. We can do counseling for a group, even a group of 20 people. It is possible to do counseling of them, but we have to change in our life something that will help us, or that will lead us to the fruitful change in our life, or fruitful change in our mental health. So what are they? Keeping a positive attitude. Now this is a very you will say this is a very generic thing. We generally keep positive attitude, but for example, uh, if a person is there, if a candidate is there, he's waiting for his mark list, he's in tension. Okay, so he don't know he will pass or not. Someone comes, he says, okay, why you are worrying? Keep a positive attitude, you will get passed. So even he feels, oh yes, I will get passed. Then the mark sheet comes, he gets to know, oh my God, he failed. And when he gets to know that he failed, then he starts crying, and it results into some emotional turmoil, or not turmoil, but emotional problems, emotional issues. Okay, emotional overflow, which is sad in its nature. So prior to that, you had some positive attitude, you thought into your mind that okay, everything would be positive. Then why this turmoil had happened? So here comes a positive view can't work on its own. I'm focusing more over this point because this is a very, very needy point. It's a very key point. Then what's the thing? You have to develop an attitude. Not a single view can work with that. What's attitude in the same case? If a person is standing in front of his college, and now he's going to get his results, he don't know he passed or not. If have a positive attitude, then what will happen? That he will take the sheet. He will get to know he got failed. But a person with positive attitude won't cry or won't fail into emotional problems, but he will think positively. Okay, this is the problem, but I have to handle it. A person with positive attitude has a inbound functionality. Okay, so what is inbound functionality I'm concerning about? That whether there is something happened bad about you, whether your colleague or your father or your some relative had got COVID, but there is a way. And when you say yourself there is a way, you get functional. So for that you need a proper attitude, not a single view can help. One more thing, uh, which is coming ahead, you also have to get prepared. Okay, why you have to get prepared? Because preparation, like it is generally said, if you are prepared, it is better to deal with. So if you see the picture over here, it is there have a shield over corona. Okay, corona is out, the family is in the shield. So it is not only their bodies are shield, like it is showing over here, but what I meant to see, what I meant to say is not only our body. We are wearing the mask, we are wearing the gloves, okay, we are keeping the distance, but anytime we can get corona. Okay, anytime we can get corona. And then two factors in this preparedness is are expected to be done by a healthy person, emotionally healthy person or mentally healthy person. What are those points? Number one is functional preparedness. Okay, prepare yourself. Okay, अगर मुझे कोरोना हुआ तो क्या होगा? ठीक है, मैं हॉस्पिटल में जाऊंगा. हॉस्पिटल कौन सा देखना है? आसपास का चाहिए, ओके, who will fetch me tiffin, okay, to have food, okay, who will do my household chores, would there be any facility to sanitize my home, okay, and who will take care of my kids, okay, and everything should be there, everything should be and you have to do as get up in the morning, stay in front of the mirror, see yourself, see your face in mirror and say, I will get corona. मुझे कोरोना होगा. Okay? You will feel fear in you, but let you feel fear. Feel fear feel होने दो. तो होगा क्या? This is a kind of de-stressation. उस और आप मेंटल जो मनोव्यापार कहते हैं उसे psychic things, that and that result there is a connection, those connections would be disabled. Just say in front of mirror, I am going to get corona. So slowly you get prepared emotionally. There is one more point over here, preparing for a firewall. What you know what is firewall? Like it is generally seen in a computer. Okay, if there is a threat, it appears over there. Okay, this file has a threat. Okay, so you have to maintain your own firewall for your own wellness. And how you can develop that firewall? By taking or by improving two things: one, logic, and two, rationality. Okay, logic. If you get corona, okay, I have get corona, but this is not an end, isn't it? So if it is an end, what would be my preparation? As I said, preparedness. And then the second thing, rationality, being rational. Okay, I have got corona, but there is not end. But again, there are things which can work. Okay, now I have to get functional because I have got corona. Okay, this kind of thought process gets start when you have these two things in your mind: logic and rationality. Okay, so this shields your mind, and it you know you, there is a shield over here, invisible shield. So this is a invisible shield. If you
So Mr. Ketan has left the meeting. Maybe some technical issue is there. तो अब तक जो हमने सुना है उसको ही हम थोड़ा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. जेन्युइनली किस किस को अभी लग रहा है कि कोविड की वजह से उनकी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेज आए हैं या स्ट्रेसफुल इवेंट्स बढ़ी हैं या वो साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे हैं? कोई अपना केस कोई डिस्कस करना चाहेगा? यदि कोई इस बारे में बोलना चाहे तो वो अपना माइक ऑन करके वो बोल सकते हैं. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
जी. आप में से जो अटेंड कर रहे हैं ये वेबिनार, उनमें किसी को लगता है कि कुछ कोविड की वजह से कुछ उनको मनोवैज्ञानिक समस्याएं आ रही है या कुछ ऐसा स्ट्रेस या डिप्रेशन फील कर रहे हो और जो अपना केस है वो डिस्कस करना चाहते हो? जी. ठीक है, अभी तक किसी का इस बारे में कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया है. तो ये मृणाली मैम हमारे साथ में, उनसे हम पहले बात करना चाह रहे थे. हेलो मृणाली, एम आई ऑडिबल? Yeah, Anirudh also joined. Hello. हाँ अनिरुद्ध, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're clear
क्या
audible.
क्या हुआ मिस्टर केतन के वो मीटिंग कैसे लीव हो गया उनका, कुछ प्रॉब्लम?
He's trying to connect. Some network issues are there.
ओके
He's trying to connect. We'll have to just wait for a few minutes. By the time we can revise whatever he has taught. So
अच्छा आप अभी
basically all the signs and symptoms.
so Anirudh, Mr. Anirudh Siddh Ganesh, he is also a psychology expert or he is pursuing his PhD in psychology. तो आप इस बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे अनिरुद्ध, हमारे जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनको?
First and foremost, to सभी participants को thank you very much. कि majority of us इस वक्त pandemic में किसी न किसी चीज से हम लोग प्रॉब्लम से फेस कर रहे हैं और हम लोग यही सोचते हैं कि आई एम अलोन इन दिस प्रॉब्लम या हेल्प मांगना नहीं चाहता हूँ. ओके, जो रियलाइजेशन हमें है कि यस दिस देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम और उसके बाद में हम इनिशिएट करें कि ना हाउ टू सॉर्ट इट आउट, इसकी तरफ ये वेबिनार अटेंड करके सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने एक पहला स्टेप तो लिया है. नॉट दिस फॉर देमसेल्व्स बट ये इंफॉर्मेशन उन is my voice clear?
Yeah. Yes, Anirudh.
Okay. Yes. So awareness was the first step. At least हम लोग इस वक्त अवेयर हो रहे हैं. सेकंड स्टेप वुड बी कि ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें इस वेबिनार में मिल रही है इसे हम आसपास ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, खुद में ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. और जैसे हमारे जो रिसोर्स पर्सन है केतन, हमें बता रहे हैं मिस्टर केतन कि आप इसके ऊपर इंटरवेंशन किस तरह से कर सकते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स विद एवरी इंडिविजुअल अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विल वेरी, बट द जेनरिक आइडियाज का काफी अच्छा यूज कर सकते हैं.
Hello, Anirudh. हेलो अनिरुद्ध, कैन यू हेयर? अनिरुद्ध का ऑडियो में भी कुछ लग रहा है प्रॉब्लम है, देयर सम नेटवर्क इशू. और मिस मृणाली, कैन यू हेयर मी? हेलो, probably there is some problem with the network.
You are audible, sir. Well,
हाँ, तो जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनमें से कोई है जो अपने विचार रखना चाहें?
Hello, Dinesh ji. Good afternoon.
हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
I am Dr. Vikas from MIT University, Haryana. I am heading MIT Institute of Clinical Psychology here.
Oh, welcome sir, welcome, most welcome sir.
It's very nice, and you are coordinating the event very well. And I think it is the need of the hour. Everyone
sir.
is talking about the new normal. And what I feel is that this is a change, and every change is stressful.
Right sir.
So even if the change is positive, it may induce lot of stress. So same is the situation now. Although there are many things which have changed, both in negative and positive directions, there are many positive aspects as well. For example, now people don't have to go to the office; they can work from home. And we have such platforms like Google Meet and all these things. Earlier, I was not aware of all these things, that these resources are available, and now we are able to utilize these resources more and more. So there are positive aspects also which are associated with this condition, along with the negative ones. And I think that the behavioral management plays a very important role. So here we talk about social distancing, but I think physical distancing is the right term. It's not the social distancing. We are still socially connected, and we can get connected with people. And this is one example how we can connect with the professionals and how we can attend a particular program. So there is no barrier in social connections. We can always make a call and talk to our friends we can spend more time with our family members. We can maintain a schedule. There is something known as activity scheduling. So in activity scheduling, what we can do is we can add some pleasurable activities in our schedule,
Mhm.
the activities which we like to do, or the activities in which we have attained some mastery. So on the basis of principles of mastery and pleasure, we can incorporate certain activities and in our day-to-day schedule. Even if we are not going anywhere, we are at our home, but still we can engage ourselves in the activities we like. So such activities will improve our affective state and will elevate our mood. Secondly, they
हाय
will be a
मनाली
good source for behavioral activation
हेलो
because
हाँ
many a times,
जो
as
मिस्टर केतन है ना उनका कुछ
Mr.
नेटवर्क का
Ketan
इशू
was
है
also
तो अभी
mentioning
जो
that
एक डॉक्टर
people
विकास
are
शर्मा
not
है
doing many
एमिटी
activities.
यूनिवर्सिटी से
So
वो उन्होंने
it is
एंगेज कर रखा है
important that
पार्टिसिपेंट्स
some
को
activities are there
तो
in our day-to-day schedule. And
आप भी कुछ
activities which give
थोड़ा
us
अपना
happiness and
अपना
pleasure are more
5-7
important.
मिनट के लिए बोल दोगे
Secondly, if we
मतलब
talk about
डिप्रेशन
happiness,
स्ट्रेस
so
को कैसे
happiness I
हैंडल
think
करें
is
जो
not
आपका
only talking
ओपिनियन है
about
ठीक है तो
positivity.
इनके बाद
It is
आपका
a balance
आपका मैं
between the
बोल दूं यहाँ
positive and
पे
negative effect. So every
हाँ
kind of
ठीक है
situation is
तो
required
जब
for us to
स्पेसिफिक
be
कोई क्वेश्चन
happy.
हो तो आप बता दो वो
If
मैं
there
पूछ
are
लेता हूँ
always pleasurable moments, we will not be able to enjoy that. So every kind of experience is required.
हाँ
So
आप
I
व्हाट्सअप
think
कर
COVID
दीजिए
has given us negative experiences also, a lot of
हाँ
negative
ओके
experiences, but with
ओके
certain
ओके ओके
precautions,
थैंक यू
certain things we can keep ourselves protected from the disease or from the infection, and at the same time maintain a very good mental health. So these were some of my views, Dinesh ji,
ओके
on this topic. And I am thankful to you that you are conducting such a program.
yes sir thank you
Thank
so
you,
much
Dr.
sir
Venkat, sir. You have
it's indeed a pleasure sir to have you here and you are just you gave some valuable inputs regarding the current scenario of a COVID-19 pandemic. Oh, yeah, Mr. Ketan is joining us again. He's just struggling hard, probably not with a psychological problem as he is expert of that, but due to the
Technical
network
problem.
issues. Hmm?
Shall we start, sir?
Yeah, please continue.
Okay, let's start from here. I'm really sorry. I got disconnected at time. I'm on. Yes, I'm on. Yeah, I was speaking about positivity. I spoke about positive attitude. So this is a simple thing that there is a difference between keeping a positive view and keeping a positive attitude. Okay, simply positive view uh, cannot can yield you just a positive feeling. Okay, but when the COVID is there, when you are struggling with your life, you have to keep a positive attitude. You have to develop a positive attitude, and how there will be a difference in positive attitude and positive view. Uh, as I said previously, I don't know it came into your consideration or not. Like I think I got breakup over there. Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. So yes, yes. So there is a thing that if you have a positive wave or you see everything positively, it's a positive feeling. But keeping a positive attitude, it differs. Okay. For example, you are standing in front of your college for your your results. Okay. So you're standing for results and you're worried that okay, would I be passed or not? Would I be failed? And someone comes to you and says, okay, just be positive, you'll get passed. You get a positive feeling. Oh yes, I'll get passed. And then you go with the result and you got to know that you have failed. Now that uh, a reaction or as an event that turns you into some emotional turmoil or emotional problem, isn't it? So you have kept a positive view towards that specific thing, but it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? If you want to cope up with your negative things, you have to develop a positive. You have to develop positivity as your attitude, as your innate nature. So if a person having positive attitude, it won't keep just a view, but there would be beyond that, uh, because he will also be positive in the negative cases. Okay, so how to see positive in negative cases? You just have to filter your thoughts. Okay, and how you have to filter your thoughts is in the same case. If you got failed, you have first you have to get up with the logic. Okay, I have got failed, but is there any other chances or other things I can do? Yes, you can fill up for the re or re-examination. Okay, I can. This is bad, but this is not that worst. I can fill up for re-examination. Similarly, with COVID, it also happens. We are generally positive, but we go into emotional problems because in similar time we don't have courage to fight the negative part of the life. Okay, so just view can't work. Okay, you have to develop it, and how you can develop it is the simple thing. You have to filter your thoughts and put that in put every negative thing into action. Okay, see through that specific negative thing. Then preparedness. So you're looking a picture over here. There's a family. It's very shielded by some thing, and they're shielded for corona. Okay, out for corona. Now you have to prepare your shields for physically, like for corona, for mentally. Okay, to not to get in any mental health problems or distress or depression, and emotionally, because emotional problems or emotional turmoil catches up somebody towards the mental health problems very fast. Okay, so emotional and psychological, these two things has to be, you have to prepare. So how you can get prepared? Number one, always always make a point that you can get corona. Okay, so if you are expecting I can't get a corona, and when you get that, you get into as the problems I said just now. So you can do one small exercise. It's a very nice exercise. When you get up in the morning, stand in front of a glass, okay, like a mirror,
Mhm.
and see your face and say, I am going to get corona. मुझे कोरोना होने वाला है. ओके, व्हेन यू से मुझे कोरोना होने वाला है, पहले पहले दुख भी होगा, दर्द भी होगा, लगेगा ये मैं खुद से ही क्या कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन से इट, कीप सेइंग इट, मुझे कोरोना होने वाला है, थ्री फोर टाइम्स, इट्स ओवर. So slowly you would be sensitized towards the problem. Okay, second, always think when you have when you do this exercise, always think when you will have the corona, what you will be your future plan, action plan. You have to put everything in action. Now you are positive person, and positive person keeps negative things into action. So when you are keeping things into action, so you have to preparatory plan. Okay, so what's the new hospital? Okay, so okay, I've admitted. Then who can fetch me the my meal? Okay, who can take care of my kids after, like, on my back? Who can take care of my house? Is there any problem, or is there pieces of nation? in my house, sanitization in my house. So these things you have to get prepared with. Okay. Second thing you have to get prepared is emotionally. Why I'm saying emotional is, again, if you say these things every day, you will also get prepared emotion, because जो चीज हर रोज हो, आप हर रोज थोड़ा सा आपको खुद को कोविड की तरफ झोंक रहे हो, नहीं हुआ बेहतर है, इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग। अगर हुआ तो ये रोज का जो थोड़ा कोरोना की तरफ झोंकना है, दिस विल हेल्प यू to not emotionally involved in if you get corona, or any your family member got corona, or friends got corona, relatives got corona, loved ones got corona. Okay, so get prepared for that.
तो अब तक जो हमने समझा है वो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग, जो अभी मिस्टर केतन बता रहे थे कि अगर हम मेंटली प्रिपेयर रहेंगे पहले से ही, कि हमें पता है कि अगर हम मिरर के सामने खड़े होके बोलेंगे डेली कि भाई कोरोना होने वाला है, कोरोना होने वाला है, मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स को भी हो सकता है, तो मेनली इससे जो है ना, एक जो निष्कर्ष हम निकाल सकते हैं वो ये निष्कर्ष ये निकल रहा है कि जब हम मेंटली प्रिपेयर हो जाते हैं किसी भी परेशानी का सामना करने के लिए, तो उसके बाद जो है ना, उसको जो मनोवैज्ञानिक क्षति होती है, जो साइकोलॉजिकल जो एडवर्सिटी जो हमें फेस करनी पड़ती है, वो बहुत हद तक जो है कम हो जाती है, अगर हम मेंटली इस चीज़ के लिए प्रिपेयर रहेंगे तो मेनली एक ये पॉइंट निकल के आया है जो इन्होंने बताया है जो, और बाकी तो बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स हैं, तो मे बी कुछ इशू हुआ है तो इसलिए वो मीटिंग ज्वाइन करेंगे। उससे पहले जो है हमारे बीच में हमारे कुछ और एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, उनसे भी हम कुछ सवाल तब तक पूछ लेते हैं। यदि आपका कोई सवाल हो तो आप लोग भी अब पूछ सकते हैं। या सो वी हैव मिस मृणाली दमनिया विद अस। वो भी एक जो नैदानिक मनोवैज्ञानिक हैं, और उनसे एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहूँगा। मिस्टर केतन भी हमें ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं, बट उससे पहले एक सवाल है जो मैं जो मृणाली मैम है उनसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि एक थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू फॉर coming here. The question है, can you please tell us something about how family life has been affected during the COVID pandemic and how we can improve family relationships?
Okay. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah, you're audible,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes, you're
Hmm.
audible.
Okay. So, first of all, good evening, everybody, and it's so great to be here. अब पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे सबसे बड़ा जो मेजर इश्यूज जो सारे स्टूडेंट्स भी फोन करके बोल रहे हैं, सब लोग जो फेस कर रहे हैं, वो ये है कि भाई हाँ, फैमिलीज को साथ में रहना चाहिए और फैमिलीज को टुगेदरनेस एक्सपीरियंस करनी चाहिए, बट हम कुछ ज्यादा टुगेदर हो गए इस टाइम। अब जो घर के लोग ऑफिस जाते हैं वो ऑफिस नहीं जा रहे हैं, जो स्कूल जाते हैं वो स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हैं, जो कहीं और बाहर पढ़ने गए हैं या काम करने, वो सब भी अपने हॉस्टल्स छोड़ के घर पे आ गए हैं। तो अब एक छोटे से घर में 8-10 लोग हो गए हैं, उनको पूरा टाइम साथ में रहना है। अब ये 1 हफ्ते तक, 10 दिन तक, 15 दिन तक प्लेजेंट हो सकता है, लेकिन उसके बाद हम सब जानते हैं कि थोड़ा थोड़ा अनप्लेजेंटनेस आ जाता है। अब मेनली इश्यूज क्या होते हैं कि एक तो हम बोर हो जाते हैं, एक ही चेहरा दिन भर देख रहे हैं, हम एक ही लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं। अब बड़े परिवारों में फिर भी थोड़ा ठीक है, लेकिन जो सिर्फ 4 लोग हैं, 3 लोग हैं, वो कंटिन्यूअसली एक दूसरे से इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं 24/7, तो उनके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है टू मेंटेन प्लेजेंटनेस। तो उस टाइम पे जब बोर होने लग गए हैं, इरिटेशन होने लग गया है, या फिर छोटी छोटी बात पे क्वारलिंग हो रही है, नोक झोंक झगड़ा एकदम शुरू हो जाए, हस्बैंड वाइफ में हो रहा है, बच्चों का पेरेंट्स के साथ हो रहा है, तो ये इशू की वजह से काफी सारा इमोशनल स्ट्रेस लोग एक्सपीरियंस करने लगते हैं। तो अब इससे डील कैसे किया जाए, तो इसके लिए मैं 3 पॉइंट्स बताना चाहूंगी। सबसे पहला है बैलेंस। बैलेंस किन 2 चीजों में? टुगेदरनेस में और सेपरेटनेस में। मतलब स्पेस, स्पेस कैसे इनकॉर्पोरेट करी जाए कि भाई हाँ, अगर घर में 2-3 कमरे अवेलेबल है, एक किचन है, एक बेडरूम है, एक हॉल है, तो पहले से डिसाइडेड है कि भाई इस टाइम पर सारे लोग साथ में आके खाना खाएंगे, गेम्स खेलेंगे, बातें करेंगे, लेकिन इस टाइम पे सब अलग हो जाएंगे, सब अपना अपना अलग रूटीन फॉलो करेंगे, जिसमें कंटिन्यूसली आपको एक पर्सन से एक्सपोजर ना हो। ठीक है। दूसरी जो चीज है वो ये है कि अपना एक खुद का रूटीन होना, योर पर्सनल लाइफ शुड ऑल्सो बी मेंटेन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम। कि पूरा टाइम अगर आप पूरा फैमिली के साथ 24 घंटा अगर इंटरेक्ट करोगे, तो आपकी लाइफ डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी, आपकी पढ़ाई डिस्टर्ब हो सकती है, आपका काम डिस्टर्ब हो सकता है। तो वो पहले से क्लियर कर लेना कि हाँ भाई, ये मेरा रूटीन है और इस टाइम पे मैं अपना स्पेस एंजॉय करूंगा या मैं अपना स्पेस में काम करूंगा। उससे क्लियर लाइन आ जाएगी बीच में। ठीक है। अब तीसरी चीज ये है कि कोई एक्टिविटीज हम प्लान कर सकते हैं विद इन द फैमिली। अब कंटिन्यूसली अगर सेम रूटीन मोनोटोनसली जब चलता रहता है, तब वो चीज इरिटेटिंग हो जाती है। लेकिन अगर हमने डिसाइड कर लिया कि भाई चलो आज वीकेंड स्टार्ट हो गया, फ्राइडे किसी का ऑफिस का काम अब निपटा लेंगे सारा का सारा, और अंताक्षरी खेलना है आज सबको 1 घंटा, या फिर आज कोई गेम्स कर रहे हैं, या फिर कोई साथ मिलके सब लोग योगा कर रहे हैं, ऐसे एक्साइटिंग प्लान्स अगर हम बनाते रहें रेगुलरली, तो इंटरेस्टिंग होता रहेगा। तो ऐसी ही चीजें हैं जो फैमिली रिलेशनशिप्स को इम्प्रूव कर सकती है, और इस जो डिफिकल्ट टाइम में बहुत दूसरी प्रॉब्लम्स आने लगी है, उससे डील करने में हमारी हेल्प कर सकती है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now I request Mr. Ketan to take over the mic again, please.
Yes. Yes. After man's description, we move towards the our next point, working life. As even she said, uh, there might be many things which you are going to work after the corona. There are many things which are putting yourself into the mental health problem in the corona. So this is all about maintenance, and this specifically your working life. Like, what is working life? It's whatever you work, whether you go out for office or you work as a homemaker. So if you keep your course, if you keep your activity, and if you keep your own dates, then the corona time, the posing for that, going emerging from this hard time, it would be very easy to handle. Okay. So as I previously said, we have created a space between us, is a very zero, is a big zero, कि जिसमें पहले हम काफी चीजें करते थे, अब कुछ नहीं करते। ओके। चीजें बदल गई है, समय बदल गया है, प्लेस बदल गया है, जरिया बदल गया है, बट if you want to sustain, if you want to sustain our heads in a right direction, we have to get working with anything. Like, you can work with anything. You can go for hobbies, you can for movie night, or you can go for any which will yield two things. It will entertain you, and second, the post corona thing, like many people have lost their businesses, and many people lost jobs. So after the corona, you would be joining, and this is the correct to think about that. What I'm going to do after corona? Plan right now. Okay. Now, if you want to do a job, where can I apply? How can I apply? How many people are there to them? I can for this kind of things. Plan for that. Okay. And if you have a business, again plan for your business also. What your future plans? Is there any launch, or if you're doing anything? So uh, go for that. And uh, what will yield you this thing, because when you will be out of the corona period, or when you will be out, even when you will be out of the quarantine, you will have a big pause, and in that you will say, okay, बाहर तो अगर करना क्या है जिंदगी में यही पता नहीं. So that question can be answered before you get out for the world. Then financial adjustment. As I previously said, we have to adjust many things. The countries had adjusted their financial problems. Okay, so even we have to adjust our financial problems, because even after Corona, there can be a financial crisis will come in all the world. There might be anything, but if you have any problem related to job or business, or if you have concern that I should my all daily expenses should be in the way, even after Corona or whatever it is. So I think this is time to adjust your financial things. Like, you have to adjust your assets. Okay, asset is something which yields you some money. Okay, if you have plans to buy something big, you can postpone that. So this is a kind of mindfulness you carry over to your money, to your economy, like household economy. Then the last thing, and a very very important thing, ask for help or get counseled. Okay, as I said previously, हम at a time 20 लोग 25 लोगों का भी काउंसलिंग कर सकते हैं. We have that capacity, we have professional qualities, but we have to change our life. After changing our life, there would be, and surely there would be, many problems, and for that you can surely go for the counseling. At that time, don't think again, अरे मैं counseling के लिए जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी तो मुझे लोग क्या कहेंगे. No, this is time to get well for you. आप अपना मेंटल हेल्थ अभी संभालोगे तो फंक्शन कर पाओगे. अगर मेंटल हेल्थ नहीं संभालोगे, फंक्शन नहीं कर पाओगे. अगर फंक्शन कर पाओगे तो you will handle anything and everything, and you will sustain your life. But if you think okay, not to go for the counseling, I think this is not right choice, because anyhow you'll go more and more deep in the mental health crisis, and this is just going to yield you the problems and nothing more than that. So from that note, we are ending our session. So I would really like you everybody to put in your message box, like chat box, what is your takeaway from this session. Did you learn anything, something from the session or not? Okay, and if you have learned, put that in the chat box. Okay, and you can put that in one word or couple of words, but put that, because we want to know what you have learned. Okay, and what is the product of this specific session, please. Okay,
आप लोग चैट बॉक्स में जो भी आपने सीखा है वो आप टाइप कर सकते हैं, और बाकी सब पढ़ सकते हैं. इससे आइडिया लगेगा कि किसने कितना सीखा है. आप एक दो लाइन में लिख सकते हैं जो भी, जैसे जो मुझे लगा सबसे बड़ा जो फैक्टर था, द बिगेस्ट द थिंग दैट आई लर्न was the just advanced preparation for the worst. This, as Mr. Ketan told, that you should stand in front of the mirror and repeatedly tell yourself that I'll get corona or my family member will get the corona. So in this manner, if we are mentally prepared in advance, so it will just reduce our chances of getting psychological adversity at a critical level. और अनिरुद्ध हैं, इन्होंने भी लिखा है डेवलपिंग रेजिलियंस, एंड ही हैज गिवन कमेंट. एंड मिस्टर बुशरा शेख हैज रिटन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी एंड एवरी सिचुएशन. यस, ओके. सो इसके अलावा अगर कोई क्वेश्चन अगर आप पूछना चाहते हैं तो आप यहाँ पे टाइप कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप अपना माइक ऑन करके यू कैन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन related to the webinar. Any question? Okay, Mr. Ketan, I received two questions from the people who could not join the webinar.
Attend them.
Okay,
Sure.
so just let me ask those questions. So the one question that I received, uh, how to overcome emotions and how to become mentally tough.
Yes, even in the session, I've covered this a bit. I said about a kind of firewall, okay, to develop a firewall. Okay, in computers, we have firewall. If there is any virus comes in the computer, the firewall detects it. Okay, so we have to develop the filters to our mind, to our
Mhm.
thought system. And there are two factors by which you can develop that. One thing is logic. Okay, so if you are in a crisis, okay, if you're in any kind of problems, if you're something, even out of the corona, if someone is criticizing you, okay, so in even in that sense, it is, you have to make sure that uh, the thing, what are the thought process you will have, that should be logical.
Mhm.
Okay, generally what happens, why I'm saying logic, that generally what happens, people who you know uh, get problem by other people's, or get problem by some simple crisis, are on low on the logic.
Mhm.
Okay, and it is research fact. So they get imposed themselves anything. If you say anything or any crisis comes, they impose them to them directly. No, you have to filter it out. Okay, and if you filter it out and prepare yourself, you develop a kind of thought and emotional kind of a firewall. So this is a very key fact that you can use for the same. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, sir. The second question that I received is that am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So the question is related to the psychological health of the children. The children who are unable to go outside due to the restrictions. So
Yes, yes.
how their psychology is impacting due to that they are unable to go outside and play and do some outdoor activities. So what will be your advice
Uh,
for the children?
okay. It is seen that almost like it's a big chunk of childhood population
Mhm.
have affected from the corona and from the restrictions. And if we generally see, people are like small children are generally very active. Okay, and their activity level is so that they can indulge in many things. Okay, so what happens when they have this much activity level and they're
Mhm.
restricted to do something? Either,
Mhm.
as I've even covered, the we have put in a box,
Mhm.
okay, the activity of our life. So that is decreased. So you can do two things for that. One, you can divert their attention. Okay,
Mhm.
so how to divert their attention or divert their energy? That you can prepare something, some activities. Okay, you
Mhm.
can prepare some conference calls. Okay, you can prepare some movie nights, as even ma'am said, and let the students or let the small children indulge in that. Okay, so if you make something creative, okay, give children some material. Okay, some glue, some strings, or some paper, or some matchbox. They will create some creative things. Okay, so in any way their mind is diverted into something, and their even their mental energy is stable over there. The second thing I can say is uh, you know teach them to do some yoga.
Hmm.
Okay, to many times they have very irritations and temper tantrums, and same time they have their high energies and they can't go out. So if you teach them some yoga, some relaxation techniques, so they can even relax their own, or you can help them to relax. Okay, so this is one point, and this is children's side, and even in parent side there can be many things. Okay, so generally parent has to develop that kind. Just you asked one question, how to develop mental stubbornness. So even parent has to develop some mental stubbornness. Okay,
Hmm.
some temper tantrum, some impulses they have to avoid, or
Hmm.
they have to neglect. If they neglect, their life will be easy, and the exertion of the children's psychic energy
Hmm.
would be on the level. So it can be done on a level. So this is again suggestive. So this is it. This is a good choice to do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. There are a few other questions in the chat box. One is asked by Mr. Anirudh Sastri. The question is related to the difference between stress and depression, and whom we should approach if we are unable to deal with the mental health issues at personal level, a psychologist or a psychiatrist.
Psychiatrist.
Hmm.
Actually, it is a key factor. It's a kind of technical question, I would say.
Mhm.
Generally, when we have some kind of stress, or when we get distress is a kind of correct word to say that. We generally label it as stress, or generally label as depression. But I would like to say both are clinical terms.
Mhm.
Okay, in my first slide, I explained many symptoms, many conditions. So even stress is made from many conditions, depression is made from many conditions, and their diagnostic labels. So what's the difference between them exact is stress is a kind of exerting your physique, okay, exerting your mind, okay, जो आपको थकाता है, जो आपको डाउन करता है, जो आपको एंशियस करता है. So anxiety can go with kind of stress. Okay, so you can say anxious, being anxious or being agitated is a kind of stressful situation. But depression in the other side is a mood disorder. Okay, so depression has to do with mood. आपका मन नहीं लगना, लो मूड रहना, या फिर जो चीजें आप पहले अच्छे से करते थे वो चीजें ना कर पाना, कुछ चीजों में मजा ना आना जो पहले प्लेफुल थी, एक जगह रहना, बार बार रोना, बहुत दुखी होना. तो ये जो है दिस इज काइंड ऑफ डिप्रेसिव सिम्टम्स. सो ये दोनों टेक्निकल वर्ड्स है, और ये दोनों इस तरह से डिफर करते हैं. एक जो है वो गोज विद द फिजिकल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस एंड टेंशन, एंड वन गो विद द मूड जो डिप्रेशन हमें लाता है.
ठीक है. ये अमित राजली है, इन्होंने अपना एक कमेंट लिखा है हिंदी भाषा में. इन्होंने लिखा कि मैं हरियाणा के गांव से हूँ जहाँ ज़्यादा कोरोना का प्रभाव नहीं पड़ा है, परंतु हम.
सर आपका माइक बंद है.
ओके, सॉरी. ये अमित राजली हैं, इन्होंने लिखा है मैं हरियाणा के गांव से हूँ, ज़्यादा कोरोना का ज़्यादा प्रभाव नहीं पड़ा है, परंतु हम आज जान पाए कि जीवन में अधिकता किसी भी प्रकार की हो व्यक्ति को मानसिक प्रभावित करती है. जैसे साधारण हमें परिवार के लिए समय चाहिए, अभी समय मिला तो वो ही मानसिक परेशानी का कारण बन रहा है. तो ये सवाल नहीं था, बेसिकली एक कमेंट था इनका.
एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ.
मैं कहूँगा ये काइंड ऑफ सच है अमित जी. एक्चुअली हमें एक अलग व्यू से इसे देखना होगा, क्योंकि कोई भी चीज़, कोई भी अगर कोई चीज़ हो जो हमें खाने के लिए अच्छी लगती हो, किसी बच्चे को अगर चॉकलेट अच्छा लगता है, आप एक लिमिट तक उसे देंगे तो वो उसे अच्छा महसूस करेगा. अगर वो ज़्यादा देंगे तो वो उसके लिए प्रॉब्लमेटिक होगा, वो कहेगा कि नहीं, आई डोंट वांट दैट. सो अभी मेरे ख्याल से यही हो रहा है कि हम फैमिली के साथ ही इतने हैं, हम एक ही चेहरे हर रोज देख रहे हैं। सो जनरली क्या होता है कि हम दुनिया से मिलजुल के रहते हैं एंड सेम टाइम अपने फैमिली को भी वक्त देना चाहते हैं। सो अब एक्चुअली पलटा उल्टा है। अब हम दुनिया को समय नहीं दे पा रहे और फैमिली के साथ ही ज़्यादा है। एंड जैसे मैंने कहा कि हर चीज़ एक लेवल तक अच्छी लगती है, उस लेवल के पार जाने के बाद वो चीज़ प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाती है। सो अभी यही हो रहा है, बाकी कुछ नहीं।
इसके अलावा यदि कोई और सवाल पूछना चाहें तो आपका स्वागत है। एनीवन कैन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चंस। कोई और सवाल? मिस्टर सुबीर गांगुली इज आल्सो विद अस। ये एक सीनियर नॉन कमीशन ऑफिसर रह चुके हैं इंडियन एयरफोर्स से और आजकल ये किसी प्राइवेट एयरलाइन में अपनी सेवाएं दे रहे हैं। आपकी तरफ से कोई सवाल हो सर, कोई कमेंट हो?
पैंडेमिक में जो चीज सबसे खराब लगा जो है, गरीब लोगों के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया। घर बार छोड़ के आए थे कहीं नौकरी करने के लिए, और अभी फिर से वो लोग फिर वापस आ रहे हैं। मैं बैंगलोर एयरपोर्ट में हूँ अभी, तो यहाँ से काफी लोग, बल्कि अच्छे अच्छे कंपनी से भी काफी लोग जो है ले ऑफ कर दिए गए थे। नाउ दे आर गेटिंग इनटू जॉब एंड काफी मतलब हम देख रहे हैं कि जैसे टूरिज्म में भी काफी डाउनग्रेड चला गया, 65% लॉस हो गया है। एंड ठीक है, लोग को पहले घर पे रहने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता था, बट अभी घर पे रह रहे हैं। बट अगर पैसा नहीं है और घर पे रहना सबके साथ, इट्स रियली वेरी हेक्टिक। तो इस पे आप कुछ बताएंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा।
श्योर सर, श्योर। एक्चुअली हम अगर थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्व करें तो एक चीज़ बहुत जल्दी ध्यान में आ जाएगी कि जो लोग माइग्रेट हो रहे हैं, ओके, सो जो लोग माइग्रेट हो रहे हैं उन लोगों में जनरली ये दिखाई देता है कि वो डरे हुए हैं। ओके, माइग्रेशन की एक तरह से वजह ही यही है। सो जैसे मैंने कहा कि अभी एक हद से ज़्यादा हम अपने लोगों के साथ हैं। तो एक लेवल होता है, हर चीज़ को लाइक करने का एक लेवल होता है। तो उससे अगर ज़्यादा चीज़ मिलती है तो उसकी वैल्यू नहीं रहेगी। संस्कृत में एक लाइन बोली जाती है, अति परिचयात अवज्ञा। मतलब किसी चीज़ का अगर ज़्यादा परिचय होता है वो उस अवध के कारण हो है, वही बात अभी हो रही है। और रही बात जो माइग्रेट कर रहे हैं उनके मेंटल हेल्थ की और उनके सिचुएशन की, तो मेरे ख्याल से दो चीज़ें, मतलब एक दो चीज़ें हैं जो उसको कारण है। एक तो फियर, क्योंकि एक फियर मन में है कि अगर ये मुझे लगा या फिर मुझे कोरोना हुआ तो आसपास आने वाला कोई नहीं है, मैं अपने शहर में चले जाऊँ। एंड दूसरी चीज़ है कि पैसे नहीं है, खाए कैसे, पिए कैसे। सो देर इज अ डिसोनेंस, काइंड ऑफ डिसोनेंस बिटवीन दिस टू थिंग्स। खाने के लिए जीऊँ या लोगों के लिए जीऊँ या सिक्योरिटी के लिए देखूँ। तो इन चीज़ों का ये काइंड ऑफ इनका सीसो हो रहा है। इसलिए पीपल आर मोर ओवर दिस स्ट्रेस in this time. The people are who are migrating. Did I answer your question, sir?
Exactly, fine. Just I want to ask you, is there any way psychologically to overcome this problem?
For migrants?
No, this pandemic situation, what they're facing
Yes.
problem, na, mentally problem. So is there any psychological help
Yes.
that we can provide to them?
Sir, best. Yes, sir. Sir, best psychological help currently we can get is change our lifestyle. Okay. So मैंने ये प्रेजेंटेशन में भी कवर किया है कि क्या क्या चेंजेस हमें जनरली करने पर होंगे अभी और आगे कोई अगर ऐसा समय आए तो उसको प्रिपेयर करने के लिए। तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, जैसे हमें पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड बनाना होगा, पॉजिटिविटी हमें अपने इसमें डालनी होगी, लाइक हमें खुद में लानी होगी। सो इवन पॉजिटिव व्यू, पॉजिटिव नज़रिया कांट वर्क, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ नजरिया देता है, इट कैन जस्ट से अच्छा मैं पॉजिटिव हूँ, आई एम फीलिंग पॉजिटिव। लेकिन क्या होता है व्हेन यू फील दैट, और कोई प्रॉब्लम जब आ जाता है, कोई क्राइसिस आ जाता है, लोग टूट जाते हैं अंदर से। व्हाई दे वर हैविंग पॉजिटिविटी, राइट? तो पॉजिटिविटी सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि आप पॉजिटिवली देखो, पॉजिटिविटी ये भी है कि निगेटिव चीजों को पॉजिटिव करना और निगेटिव चीजों को लेके उसको एक्शन में लाना सीखो, ताकि निगेटिव चीजें जो है वो आपकी पॉजिटिव हो जाए। So this is the one thing, and there are many things. You have to increase your social contact. You have to redefine what is social contact, what is socialism, and you really need to pay some attention on your preparedness. How much you are mentally, emotionally, functionally prepared for the COVID, and you have to. There is one exercise मैंने mention किया था. It is कि हर रोज सुबह उठो, उठने के बाद आईने के सामने खड़े रहो और कहो कि मुझे कोविड होने वाला है, मुझे कोरोना होने वाला है। ओके, पहले तकलीफ होगी, लेकिन ये तकलीफ जो है, ये तकलीफ आपको सेंसिटाइज कर देगी कोरोना की तरफ। क्योंकि क्या होता है, कोरोना जनरली रिजल्ट्स विद द टर्मोइल, मेंटल टर्मोइल, इमोशनल टर्मोइल। सो अगर आप हर रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा खुद को प्रिपेयर करते हो, हर रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा खुद को मेंटली, इमोशनली कोरोना की तरफ धकेलते हो, जब कोरोना होगा आपको इतनी तकलीफ नहीं होगी, तब आपकी कोपिंग स्टाइल अच्छी होगी, बल्कि जो ये प्रिपरेशन नहीं रखते हैं। सो दिस इज द थिंग, एंड अगेन काउंसलिंग इज अ पार्ट। अगर ना हो, अगर फिर भी प्रॉब्लम हो, तो मेरे ख्याल से बेझिझक काउंसलिंग लेनी चाहिए। नाउ दिस इज नॉट रियली टाइम कि जब हम सोचे कि यार मैं काउंसलिंग लेने जाऊंगा और तो लोग आसपास वाले क्या सोचेंगे, मैं पागल हूँ। नहीं, आप पागल नहीं हो, लेकिन आपको अभी मेंटली फिट होना पड़ेगा। अगर आप मेंटली फिट नहीं हो पाओगे तो यू विल बी लॉस्ट।
Exactly.
अभी जो मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड है, you have to mind your mental preparation and you have to keep well for that. If you won't keep well for that, you will be devastated. और इसके लिए काउंसलिंग लेना is a small thing, so you have to go for that. That's all my answer.
ओके, एक क्वेश्चन हमें मिला है।
थैंक यू दिनेश।
ओके सर, वेलकम सर।
नाइस, हैव अ नाइस टाइम।
ओके, मंजीत भारद्वाज हैं, इन्होंने सवाल पूछा है। एक्चुअली मैं समझ नहीं पाया इनका क्वेश्चन। मंजीत, आप थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे क्या पूछना चाह रहे हैं आप? आप अपना माइक ऑन कर लीजिएगा।
सर मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने जैसे जो कोविड-19 इसने हमारी लाइफ को केवल स्ट्रेस किया, डिसेबल किया है, जबकि रियल में ऐसा कोई क्राइसिस ने हमारे फिजिकली कोई चेंज लाइफ में आया नहीं, हमको ज़्यादा कोई परेशानी नहीं दी। लेकिन ये वर्ड जो हमारे को सबको दिमाग में, सभी के दिमागों में एक बहुत बड़े क्राइसिस के रूप में जो कोई ऐसी कोई बुरी स्थिति के रूप में सेटल हो चुका है। हमें इसने किसी को हम वापस अपने नॉर्मल लाइफ में कैसे जा सकते हैं, जो मैं करीब आज से 6 महीने पहले थी, या ये जो स्ट्रेस हमारे दिल में बैठा हुआ है कि हमारी लाइफ को इसने तो बिल्कुल तहस-नहस कर दिया है। जबकि ऐसी कोई समस्या आई नहीं थी, ये केवल दिमाग को इसने हिलाया है। हमारी इकोनॉमी लगभग संसाधन हमारे पास अब भी वही हैं जो पहले थी।
मंजीत, मैं मैं इस पे एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि हमारे पास संसाधन वही थे, आज भी वही है, क्योंकि आज ज़रूरत इतनी है कि एक कंट्री में हर एक को उन संसाधनों की ज़रूरत है। ओके, और जब ज़रूरत ज़्यादा होती है तब उन संसाधनों पे स्ट्रेस आता है। ठीक है, तो चीज़ क्या है, ये थोड़ा सा अलग आपको एंगल से समझना पड़ेगा। क्योंकि क्या है, ये सिर्फ फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। कोई भी फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम, कोई भी सोशल प्रॉब्लम एक मेंटल प्रॉब्लम लेके ही आती है। ये काल की रेख है। अगर कोई भी फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम है, विदाउट मेंटल प्रॉब्लम वो आ ही नहीं सकती। ओके, तो ये जो प्रॉब्लम है, ये सबका दिमाग, आपने कहा कि सबका दिमाग घूम रहा है। तो ये क्यों घूम रहा है? क्योंकि सब कुछ सही नहीं चल रहा है। जो पहले हमारे जिंदगी में सब कुछ सही चलता था, यह सही नहीं चल रहा है। चीज़ें रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो गई है, कुछ चीज़ें बंद हो रही है, हमें कुछ चीज़ें अपनी यूज़ से बदलने पड़ रही है। तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स है और उन सारी प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से ये अभी जैसे आपने कहा कि सबके दिमाग पर असर हो रहा है। तो यही बात है और हमें इस पर प्रिपेयर ही रखना पड़ेगा। हमें अपना थॉट प्रोसेस बदलना पड़ेगा। आज हम एक शुरुआत करेंगे, आज एक शुरुआत कीजिए आप। जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था, अभी भी कहा है कि एक एक्सरसाइज हर रोज आपको सुबह करना है। क्या करना है? आईने के सामने खड़े रहना है और खुद को कहना है कि मुझे कोविड होने वाला है। आपको पहले दिन, दूसरे दिन, तीसरे दिन डर लगेगा, मन कहेगा कि नहीं मैं खुद को ही क्या बोल गया, लेकिन नहीं, ये कहते रहिए और ये तब तक कहते रहिए जब मेंटली आप उतने प्रिपेयर ना हो जाए कि आपको कोविड आने से कोई फर्क ना पड़े। और जब ऐसा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा और जब आप इमोशनली प्रॉब्लम में नहीं आएंगे कोविड होने के बाद भी, तब आपको जो सामने चीजें करनी है, आपको जो काम करना है, आपको जो प्रिकॉशंस लेनी है, आपको जो फंक्शनल जो प्रोसेस है वो आप कर पाओगे। अगर आप इमोशनल हो तो नहीं कर पाओगे और इमोशनल ना होने के लिए ये सब है। मैंने मैं आई थिंक आपके सवाल का मैंने जवाब दे दिया है।
जी
Mr. Ketan, one more question I have. जो मीडिया
Sure.
है इस वक्त, सो कंटिन्यूसली
Yeah.
इट हैपेंस कि हम लोग अलग अलग जगह से न्यूज़ देख रहे हैं और हर बार अगर आप एक टाइम आप सोचें भी आपके आसपास चीज़ें ठीक चल रही हैं, फिर भी मीडिया का जो रोल रहा है, इतने डेथ्स हो रहे हैं, ये कंटिन्यूसली हो रहा है, कंटिन्यूस मॉनिटरिंग जो हो रहा है,
Yes.
इसका एक काफ़ी सीवियर इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है। तो हम इससे कैसे डील कर सकते हैं?
यस, सिंपल सी बात है। अगर आपको प्रोग्राम अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो रिमोट यूज करो और टीवी बंद कर।
Okay.
सो क्योंकि क्या है कि आपका एक थॉट प्रोसेस है। आपका यहाँ पे अंदर एक मशीन बिठाया हुआ है और उस मशीन में आप जो डालोगे वैसी चीजें निकलेगी। आप अगर उसमें निगेटिविटी डालोगे, आप उसमें डर डालोगे, आपको हमेशा डर ही लगेगा। तो डर ना लगने के लिए अंदर ना डालो, तो ना डालो। अब इतना फिल्ट्रेशन थॉट प्रोसेस से, लॉजिक से, रैशनलिटी से नहीं हो सकता। टीवी बंद कर दो, ज्यादा मत पढ़ो। लेट यू नो कि आप प्रिकॉशन अच्छे से अगर ले रहे हो तो आप कोरोना कितना भी महान हो, कोरोना कितना भी ज्यादा फैले, आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो अगर ये आपके मन में रखोगे और मीडिया को थोड़ा सा बंद करोगे, आपको तकलीफ नहीं होगी। अगेन उसका इम्पैक्ट तो हो ही रहा है, मीडिया का इम्पैक्ट बहुत लार्ज स्केल पे हो रहा है, बट these are some kind of other things which can't be dealt by a psychologist. So this is what I can say for that.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Ketan, I have one more question I received. Suppose if you spoke in detail about the stress and depression, but if a person realizes that he or she is unable to handle his psychological well-being, and if he or she needs an expert advice, so what would you recommend? And if the person is asking for a personal counseling from you, then how can the person contact you?
Yes, I'll put my contact number. आपको अगर कोई और भी सवाल हो, आपको पर्सनल काउंसलिंग चाहिए हो, मैं टेली काउंसलिंग भी देता हूँ। जिसपे आप जैसे हम फोन लगाते हैं वैसे फोन लगाना है और जैसे हम बात करते हैं, गप्पे मारते फोन पे, तो उसी टाइप से काउंसलिंग चलेगी। सो मैं अपनी डिटेल्स यहाँ पे डालता हूँ, आप उसे यूज कर सकते हैं सर्विसेज पाने के लिए।
जी जी, आप एक बार जो नोट करना चाहें सर के कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल्स हैं वो नोट कर सकते हैं, और पर्सनली अगर कभी काउंसलिंग की ज़रूरत पड़े तो इनसे एडवाइस आप ले सकते हैं। और इसके अलावा कोई और सवाल हो किसी भी पार्टिसिपेंट की तरफ से? एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एनी पार्टिसिपेंट? Okay, okay, no more questions. So just let me tell you his mobile number. Okay, can I tell your mobile number to everyone?
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir. Okay. So his mobile number is +91 94 203 60765. I am repeating, +91 94203 60765. Mr. Ketan Balaji Kotalwar. So he is a certified clinical psychologist, and he is registered with the Rehabilitation Council of India as well.
Sir, number.
Yeah, number he has mentioned.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
Sir, I think the number is kind of different. It's 7474 plus 91 74996 10713. It's plus 91, which is country code of India, 4996 10713. This is a different number than sir is saying, which is also by me. Yeah.
Okay. So with this, I thank everyone who attended this webinar, and my special thanks to Mr. Ketan Kotalwar, who gave his precious time for this webinar, and I especially thank my colleagues, Mr. Anirudh Siddhaganesh Sastri and Ms. Mrinali Damania, who helped me a lot during this webinar, and it was just a collaborative work, and the result was due to our collaborative efforts. I thank everyone who came here, and on the behalf of Mission Doste Jahan, we wish you a very good health, physical, psychological, and emotional well-being, and keep working hard, and just keep utmost precautions against corona, and have a good life. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.